Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're doing our budget with me with Easy Cash Budgeting Planner. So let's see how much we get the budget for this paycheck. Stay tuned. Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be doing a budget with me, and oh yeah, my name's Shatara. I am a zero-based budgeter most times and I like to do savings challenges, cash stuffings, and all things that's dealing with budgeting. So without further ado, let's hop into July. This book is by Celisa from Beautifully Me and You. Follow her on YouTube. She's amazing. She's a beautiful soul. She created this book. This is in her storefront on Amazon. You can check that out. Alrighty, so as usual, I already have written in all of our bills, our sinking funds, and our cash envelopes. So the only thing that we really have to do is fill it in. So let's get close and fill it in. And you're in. So the house bought in $6,224.44. We're gonna move that down here, 6,224.44. And we're starting with our mortgage. Our mortgage went up because we did a refinance and we pulled cash out, paid off some things. So yeah, it works for us, which is going to be $2,643.25. If this go around was pretty high, we're trying to figure out why our electric bill went higher. We don't know if it's part of the inflation. I really don't think so. I think it's something probably wrong with my solar panels, so I'm gonna have to check that out. But the solar panels is $291.84 as usual. We put $100 for Sun Pass, $35 for lawn. Kaimana's camp is $390. The pool is $110. Cable is only $20, y'all. So you see half a phone. So half a phone is because I switched everybody over to iPhone, and because I did that, well, not iPhone, but or Apple products, because I did that, you know, it costs so much with the activation and blah, fees on top of fees on top of fees. So we're doing half of what my bill is going to be for this month. So half of that is $800, Lord have mercy, $389.91. So with that being said, you know how much it cost me to do it. And then my Capital One, we did use our Capital Ones for a trip not too long ago, and now we're paying it back down. PayPal, I do have things that are automatically set that comes out for my YouTube and other stuff, so I'm just paying that back to keep a zero balance on my PayPal, because we did pay that off. So I'm going to speed you guys up, and I'm going to calculate this and see how much we have remaining. Okay, so our bills come out to $4,344.20. So with that being said, we're going to take over reliable. We're going to subtract what the house bought in, 6,224.44. Subtract what our bills are, 4,344.20, and we come out with $1,880. So we're going to drop the cents, and we're going to go with $1,880. So this is the amount that we're going to be able to stuff in our cash envelopes and our sinking funds this go round. So moving on down, we have our groceries, which is $400. Wife's gas is $250 now, but her personal stays the same as $100. My gas went up to $300, and my personal stays the same. So all of these together, we have $4. We have $4, $650, $750, $8, $9, $10, $50, and we have $11.50, right? Okay, so we're going to take our moving down, 1,880, and subtract our cash envelopes, which it comes out to $11.50, and we're left with $730 to stuff in our sinking funds. So I'm going to speed you guys up really quickly, and I'm going to add these sinking funds. Okay, so 608 is how much the sinking funds came out to. So we're going to take over liable, and we're going to take the 730, and we're going to subtract it from our sinking funds, which is 730 subtract 608, and we're left with $122. So $122 we're left with. So what can we do with our 5K plan? I'm thinking I want to do is a spot up there for $115. So I'll do that. So let's see, subtract 115. I'm left with $7. So $7 I'm just gonna put in the big ass jar. So 115 plus 7 equals 115 plus 7 should equal out to 122, and that is correct. 122, and this go round we do have a zero balance. So time for checks and balances. All right, let's move you guys out, and let's switch our color. All right, checks and balances. Our income this go around was $6,224.44. Our cash envelopes, $1,150. Our sinking funds came out to $608. Our savings came out to $122, and our bills came out to $4,344.20. So if we do this correctly, we should come out with a zero balance or a little bit of change left. We have 6,224.44. Subtract 1,150. Subtract 608. Subtract 122. Subtract 4,344.20. And we have 24 cents left. So $0 and 24 cents left. So we made that work this go around with a zero-based budget. All right, guys, thank you for rocking with me to the end of this video. If I can do this, you can too. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. This is too easy. Just figure out what you have to pay. Write it down. Figure out how much you want to put towards any sinking funds, or if you haven't gotten to that point yet, figure out what you can do to pay down your debt. But anywho, keep it moving, keep it going, keep it growing. I love you guys. Do all the things. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Until next time when we get to stuff $1,880, I shall talk to you guys soon. Love you. Bye.